Hi, my name's Ben Beaton. I'm an artist. I create artworks on ecology, geology, and the local natural environments wherever I'm staying. With scientific illustrator Marley Moyer, we've created an Explore Nature Journaling resource kit. That's a large and extensive resource kit of different activities for all ages and interest groups to engage with the environment where they're staying in. What we're interested in doing at this stage is providing it to ecotourism locations for them to in turn provide to their guests. We have plans to travel in the next little while, stay at ecotourism locations for a brief time, this could even be one night, and provide them with the Explore Nature Journaling resource kit for them to provide absolutely free of charge to their guests. This is something that's available for a year for them to trial with their guests and see how their guests engage with the nature journaling process. What we've seen in different projects that we've done is that this is a process that connects people more closely with the natural environment, and in turn it keeps them coming back. We developed the resource kit actually through our public art program called the Gene Streaming Sculptures, where we build tourism trails of these sculptures. In the Ecotourism Resource Kit, there's a whole range of different modules. Resource Kit 1 is easy, quick and fun sketching, colouring and painting techniques for nature journaling. Resource Kit 2 is colour recipes and colour mixing theory. Resource Kit 3 is expressive drawing tools and techniques. Resource Kit 4 is writing and turning your nature journaling into an ebook. Resource Kit 5 is innovative fun with photography on your phone. Resource Kit 6 is nature journaling activities with children. Resource Kit 7 is fun collaborative drawing for couples, families and friends. Resource Kit 8 is flower pressing and eco-dyeing. Resource Kit 9 is how to refine your drawings and paintings at your leisure. Resource Kit 10 is an introduction to botany. Resource Kit 11 is how to mind map connections in nature. Resource Kit 12 is deep time nature journaling. This takes people behind the scenes of creating an inspiring mural. And then we have the bonus section, which is the Gene Streaming Sculptures Public Art Trail. This takes people through the sculptural projects that myself and Marley have been involved with. So we're very interested in connecting with ecotourism, tourism businesses, and engaging with them at this stage to provide their guests with our Explore Nature Journaling resource kit. Thank you.